When did large-scale Asian immigration to the United States begin? Breaking news on a topic that continues to shape our society. When did large-scale Asian immigration to the United States begin? This question is trending as many seek to understand the roots of today's diverse communities. Large-scale Asian immigration to the United States began in the mid-19th century. The California Gold Rush and the construction of the Transcontinental Railroad were key events. The first major wave consisted of Chinese laborers. They started arriving in significant numbers around the year 1848. By the year 1860, tens of thousands of Chinese workers were in the United States. Many were recruited to build railroads and work in mines. However, this movement faced immediate challenges. Laws like the Page Act of 1875 targeted Chinese women. The Chinese Exclusion Act of 1882 became the first United States law to ban immigration based on nationality. This law stopped almost all Chinese immigration. The Immigration Act of 1917 expanded these restrictions, barring most Asians from entering the country. Only a small number of exceptions existed. These laws reflected broader racial attitudes and created barriers that lasted for decades. The situation changed after World War II. The Magnuson Act of 1943 repealed the Chinese Exclusion Act. The Immigration and Nationality Act of 1952 ended the outright ban on Asian immigration. However, quotas remained very low. It was not until the Immigration and Nationality Act of 1965 that the United States eliminated national origin quotas. This change led to a new era of large-scale Asian immigration from countries like India, the Philippines, Korea, and Vietnam. This history shows how Asian immigration to the United States has been shaped by both opportunities and challenges. Early arrivals faced harsh laws and discrimination. Later generations benefited from policy changes that opened doors for more diverse migration. The story of Asian immigration is part of the broader narrative of how United States immigration laws have evolved. These changes often reflected the country's shifting attitudes toward race and citizenship. As we discuss these histories, it is essential to recognize the parallels and contrasts in the experiences of different immigrant communities. Understanding these stories enriches our collective narrative and highlights the ongoing journey of all who seek a place in America.